welcome back to Red Ted Art. Guess what we're going to make today? Yes, this is t-shirt yarn. So yarn made from an old or new t-shirt. Now this is great. You can actually use them as juggling balls the way they are, so it's a craft in itself. Or you can use it for finger knitting, for paracord type projects, for macrame, for crochet, for all sorts of projects. And we'll be doing lots of these here on Red Ted Art. So why don't you start collecting old t-shirts, making your own yarn, and then you'll be ready to go. Anyway, let's take a look and see how to make your own t-shirt yarn. So to make your t-shirt yarn, the first thing you need to do is cut from here across to there. I'm going to fold it, try and do it in such a way that you can still see. It's very tricky when you've got such a big project. You're trying to make it fit on the screen. So let's see, cut across to the other armpit. And then we're going to repeat the same. So we've cut the top off, yeah, keep that for other projects. And then here we'll cut the seam off. There we go. Now you fold over 1/2 to about 1 inch of the end. So you want this much space, and here's the other end. Now if you've got a seam running across, that's fine. Just pretend it's not there and carry on working. What we're going to do now is cut 1 inch wide strips all the way up, including this bit, but not this bit, okay? So I'll show you that. So you can see I've cut this, but not gone up to the top. Then I'm going to repeat it for the whole row. I'm going to speed this bit up and then we'll get to the next step. It doesn't have to be super neat, by the way, but do them as evenly as you can and obviously as neatly as you can, but don't worry if it's not super neat. Okay, so you've cut all across, remember, not at the top. Now the thing you do is going to cut across. So let's open this up. So open some of these strips and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so if you look at this, you have this sort of ribbed pattern. Can you see? So there's a lines opposite. Now what you're going to do is you're not going to cut across, you're going to cut diagonally. So the first one I do is go from the middle across here like this, okay, diagonally, and now I'm going to go from this corner to here. So not that way, but diagonally. That's really important, otherwise you can end up with just lots of strips. Okay, did you see that? And then again from here to here. And you carry on like that. Even though it might look messy, as long as you keep to that rule now and keep cutting across, you'll be fine. I'm going to speed this bit up and then show you the next step. Okay, so this is the last piece, and then I go again just to the middle. There we go. Now you should have a nice long piece of t-shirt material. So the last thing, in order to turn this into a nice fabric or nice yarn, is you take it and just pull it through your hands, and that will help curl it up. Can you see it curling already? I like to do this twice, but I'm just going to do it once now and then do it again, but we'll speed it up because it can be a bit boring. So you're literally just pulling it through your hands, and can you see already nice bit of t-shirt yarn coming out. There we go, look. Now most people like to leave it like that, but like I said, I just quite like running it through my hands twice. Just think it gives it just a slightly tighter curl. And then we're done. There we go, great. Now I'm just going to wrap it into a ball, and we have our tutorial finished. Now remember, as I'm doing this, this is one of our craft basics videos, which will help inform other videos. So do check out all the other crafts here on Red Ted Art as well. I'm sure you'll love them. There we go. You've made your very own ball of t-shirt yarn. Now remember, we'll be using this yarn over the coming weeks to do some great projects, so do come back and see. If you're watching this video and it's a couple of years old, check out the channel for more ideas. I'll put stuff in the descriptions, but it's really easy, and it's a great way to recycle those t-shirts that you might get for free at work, or if you've got a t-shirt that you used to like but it's got a stain on it, you know, upcycle it, turn it into t-shirt yarn, and then we can do lots and lots of projects. Now remember, like, comment, subscribe, add this fabulous how-to to your playlists, and of course hopefully see you again soon. Bye.